VMES 4.0, established in 2010, delivers high-quality industrial machine systems and automation solutions that drive modern industry forward. We design intelligent, efficient systems for material handling, production, and packaging, supported by expert training and reliable after-sales service. Beyond innovation, we also provide industry-aligned technical education solutions, preparing skilled, work-ready professionals for today's industrial challenges. VMES 4.0 operates a 1,600 square meter facility featuring industrial automation and machinery workshops, a technical education showroom, and complete professional amenities to support both industrial and educational excellence. VMES 4.0 oversees 5 main divisions: factory automation, technical education, HR and accounting, machinery and fabrication, and business development, supported by specialized teams driving operations, production, training, and business growth. VMES 4.0 Workspace actively expands its global presence through participation in leading international exhibitions and strategic partnerships, including Manufacturing World in Osaka, Hannover Messe in Germany, Industrial Transformation Asia Pacific in Singapore, collaboration with KUKA Robotics in China, Eurasia International Education in Turkey, and EduTech Solution in Bali, Indonesia, strengthening innovation, smart manufacturing, robotics integration, and Industry 4.0 education worldwide. VMES 4.0 is a forward-thinking industrial automation provider delivering intelligent manufacturing solutions aligned with Industry 4.0. We offer end-to-end services from assessment and design to fabrication, installation, and technical support. With expertise in production lines, robotics, conveyors, and vision systems, we help manufacturers improve productivity, precision, efficiency, and digital integration across operations. VMES 4.0 robotic applications deliver advanced automation solutions for industries including electronics, automotive, medical devices, and consumer products. Our systems support assembly, pick and place, packaging, welding, palletizing, inspection, and more, enhancing productivity, precision, and efficiency while ensuring reliable, high-performance operations across modern manufacturing environments. VMES 4.0 Warehouse Management and Automation offers intelligent AMR solutions powered by advanced laser slam navigation. Our self-developed robotics technology enables efficient material handling, smart fleet management, and real-time tracking. Seamlessly integrated into warehouses and manufacturing environments, the system enhances productivity, operational efficiency, and full visibility, supporting the transformation towards smart factory operations. VMES 4.0 empower industries with advanced IoT, SCADA, and digitalization solutions built for Industry 4.0. Our systems enable real-time connectivity, intelligent monitoring, and seamless integration, enhancing visibility, efficiency, and data-driven decision-making. We help organizations optimize performance, improve reliability, and remain competitive in today's connected industrial landscape. VMES 4.0 Building Automation System centrally monitors and optimizes building operations in real time, improving energy efficiency, performance, comfort, and sustainability through intelligent IoT-based integration. VMES 4.0 packaging solutions deliver smart, integrated automation that improves productivity, quality, and efficiency, leveraging IoT and real-time data to optimize processes and reduce operational costs. VMES 4.0 Welding Positioner and Slider solutions improve fabrication precision and efficiency, enabling smooth workpiece movement and optimal welding angles for consistent, high-quality results. VMES 4.0 manufacturing solutions deliver integrated conveyor, racking, and aluminum profile systems, enhancing material flow, workspace efficiency, and flexible production layouts for Industry 4.0 environments. With experience since 2010, VMES 4.0 delivers high-quality industrial machine systems and automation solutions across diverse industrial applications. Committed to accelerating innovation, VMES 4.0 also develops technical education solutions aligned with real industry standards and local expertise to bridging the gap between industry and education to prepare skilled, work-ready human resources for the modern industrial world. Basic and compact. Smart manufacturing. Industry 4.0. Industrial robot. Pneumatic and hydraulic. Motor and servo control. Sensor and vision system. Renewable energy and green technology. Electrical and power. Electronics building automation system. CNC machining, process control system, practice table, automotive and transformation, air conditioning and refrigeration, welding, oil and gas, heavy equipment, and agricultural technology. Industrial and technical education training offers programs in robot programming, PLC and HMI, and maintenance engineering, supported by leading global brands to build advanced skills and industry-ready professionals. VMES 4.0 partners with leading global technology brands to deliver advanced automation and smart manufacturing solutions, ensuring innovation, reliability, and world-class performance across industries. With over 14 years of experience, VMES 4.0 delivers high-quality Industry 4.0 solutions to global industries, built on trusted service and strong long-term partnerships. VMES 4.0 partners with universities and technical institutions to advance Industry 4.0 skills through innovative technology, hands-on training, and industry-aligned solutions that bridge education and real-world applications. VMES 4.0 official visits and strategic meetings with key national stakeholders, including ministries and leading universities across Indonesia. Through discussions with government leaders and academic institutions, VMES strengthens collaboration in vocational education, industrial development, and technology innovation, demonstrating a strong commitment to advancing national industry and institutional partnerships. VMES 4.0, transforming with emerging technologies. Together, we shape a smarter, more connected, and sustainable future.